Kids.
Wow.
Farm animals or forest animals. Farm, forest. Let's learn where animals live. Let's go! Bear, where do animals live? Forest. Good job! Tiger, where do animals live? Forest. Good job! Hen, where do animals live? Farm. Good job! Otter, where do animals live? Forest. Good job! Dog, where do animals live? Farm. Good job! Cow, where do animals live? Farm. Good job! Sheep, where do animals live? Farm. Good job! Pig, where do animals live? Farm. Good job! Owl, where do animals live? Forest. Good job! Monkey, where do animals live? Forest. Good job! Donkey, where do animals live? Farm. Good job! Deer, where do animals live? Forest. Good job!